What's going on YouTube? Ethan Sanders back with another video today. This one's going to be pretty special. It's something I've never really done before. It's going to be like a tech unboxing, I guess you could say, a little bit of a review. Yeah, you've probably seen it in the thumbnail and in the title. I'm talking about the stem player today, Yeezy stem player. Kanye West is my favorite artist, all his new music. We're talking about Donda 2 in this video. Might show a little bit of the songs, like little clips of it. So stay around to the end for that. And yeah, let's just get right into it. All right, guys, we're gonna get kind of like the packaging now. It's a pretty simple, it's actually really nice, I think. Little packaging, little box, hope it's like focusing on that. And yeah, it's just actually this like really soft, like, I don't know if you can kind of see, like, it's squishy material. And then it has the little stem player dots right there, trying to get it. Come on, man, focus. There we go. You see the stem player dots on it. Yeah, so it comes like that. And then on the inside, you open it up and it has magnets on the corners. So to be able to hold it all, got your stem player, got your cord, really nice stuff. All feels super like premium quality. It's solid, like these actual, like the corners of it where the actual stuff isn't, is solid. So you know, it's like if you drop it, nothing bad's gonna happen. The cord is about probably 6 inches long, maybe 5 inches long, maybe, let's say something like that. And then what everybody's been waiting for, everything, like what the whole thing, what you're all been waiting for, the stem player right here. Boom. Get that, look at the back, Yeezy stem player, all that good stuff. Boom, boom, boom. Cool. And personally, let's just get like right to like how it feels and all that kind of stuff. It feels kind of weird. Like it feels like a rubber or like a synthetic kind of a thing. It's really squishy. I thought it was going to be hard, but it's actually like a squishy material, almost like a phone case, but like dense, because obviously there's like stuff going on inside. And it's made by Yeezy Tech and a toy company called like Kano. So they're a pretty big toy company, which I thought was kind of interesting. I just found out a few days ago. And yeah. All right, so what happens when you turn it on, you're going to come up like this. You're going to hold this little button. It's going to vibrate, and then the lights are going to come on, and it looks just dope. So I'm not gonna play the music just yet. I'm gonna kind of like show you guys some of the different things. So like there's another button over here, and every song that you change it to, the lights change a little bit. So you see that lights changing, different colors for every song. I think when you add tracks to it, like your own tracks, because you're able to do like your own song. I've seen people do like Push and P, seen a Michael Jackson song, I've seen some really cool stuff be done with it. When you add your songs on there, I think you could choose the light color. So I always thought that was super dope. There's not too much like physically and like visually to talk about. Most of it is just like what happens with it when you actually like use it. So that's been kind of like the physical part of it. You know, guys, if you're like part of the channel, usually, you know, these sneaker reviews, it's mostly just like physical, just looking at stuff. With this, I'm actually gonna show you kind of like how it works, the different abilities, that kind of stuff. So, all right, so one of the biggest questions that I've been asked about it, and I've only had it for like a day now, is like, does it have Bluetooth, aux, what is the capabilities? So to answer the question, yes, it has Bluetooth capabilities. You're going to be holding onto the, right here on the side, there's a little plus and minus button for your volume. If you hold both those at the same time, it'll start flashing blue, and then whatever device is searching, so in a little bit I'm going to show you on the speaker, whatever device is searching for it, you're actually going to be able to like connect the two. So I connected to this speaker and I used it on my AirPods last night. And then also along with that, on the side right here is going to be an aux port and then a USB-C port also. So with that, the USB-C is going to be what you're using to connect to like computer. I connect it to my MacBook. And when you do that, that's actually how you're going to be able to like download Donda 2 onto this, because it comes stock with, for sure, Donda 1, Life of the Party with Kanye and Andre 3000, and then a couple different other songs, but not a whole lot. There's not too much space on this, but I got rid of all those because I already have them on my phone. Just put Donda 2 on here, the songs that I really like. I think I left off like 2 or 3 of them. And yeah, so that's pretty much just like the simple stuff that kind of goes into it. We can start getting into like how it works and different like abilities now. All right, so starting off, I have the stem player on, turned on, everything like that. And then I'm gonna show you guys kind of like how it works, just using this without the speaker, just to show you like the different capabilities and stuff. And then once I'm ready to show you guys some like snippets of the songs, like for real, I'm gonna kind of like let them play out. I'll hook it up to the speaker. So for now, I don't remember which song it is, but basically, has your lights on, you press the middle button, and you can start playing. So it has a little speaker on here, right here. Focus. There. So you have that, and then you turn it. The top little plus sign. Take this top plus sign, you hold it, and it isolates the vocals. Turn it down, and you just have like your instrumentals and all that kind of stuff. This side I want to say is bass. Yeah, so then you get vocals and no bass. Put all that. Cool. So then this side is the sample I want to say, and this side is the beat. Take all that. Got your regular song going on. You know, the beat, drums, bass, everything's going crazy. Super cool. And the lights flash as each one of the different pieces or stems, as they call it. As one of the stems is going, it'll flash. So like say the bass one isn't really coming in yet, that one will just be stagnant while the other ones are going and flashing and stuff like that. All right. Next up is going to be kind of one that's a little bit like harder to kind of like get used to and like actually get good at. I still probably haven't gotten super good at it, but this is like one little button up here at the top. You're going to press that, and it's going to change the color of it. So you can kind of, so now it's going across like that. You can actually speed up and down the track. So that's going real fast and forward, real fast backwards, slow it down, slow forward. Kind of sounds kind of crazy like that. Now I got it going normal. All right, so that song can kind of ended, so I didn't want to like try to force it and like be able to hear it and like not be able to like get it correctly to go. So new song, it's going on, you kind of see, and then we're gonna press that top button again like I was talking about. And now that you see it going across, if I select like down here, you can hear it kind of like going crazy. So it's kind of like a repeater right there. And then this one at the top is kind of like a loop. Yeah, so you can kind of hear it like that. So up and down, loop, repeater, stuff like that. And then, yeah, that's pretty much, I know there's other things that you can do along with it, but those are just gonna be like the main capabilities for it. I'm still playing with it. I'm still figuring it out. If you want to see a follow-up video to this, like maybe see like what I could come up with, that kind of a thing, leave it down in the comments. I'll be sure to like try to mess around with it, create my own thing, save and edit maybe, and just kind of like see what I can do with it and like trying to like push its capability. Yeah, that's basically gonna be the video for today. Like I said before, if you want to see more stuff about Donda 2 or about the stem player in general, leave it down below in the comments. I'd be happy to do that. This thing is super dope. I love it. I couldn't wait to make this video. And yeah, that's basically gonna be it for me. This is Ethan Sanders on Sanders TV. I'll catch you guys on the next one.